Freeform Course FF 9-1. Part Design of a Chair. Do you like the chairs? In this practical exercise, you will learn all the necessary curve and surface commands, as well as their settings, because the task is to design and present these chairs. The exercise shows all the necessary steps and, as always, includes lots of practical tips. It is not easy to start from scratch, and so the exercise begins with collecting the first key data. This can be measured values from other chairs or, as here, determined with the help of a human model. This is followed by the curves that later define the seat surface. Although the transverse and longitudinal curves do not intersect exactly, it is still possible to create the surface. The surface and outer contour should be defined separately. This allows the shape or contour to be quickly adapted to customer requirements later on. To increase stability, the outer contour is reinforced with an additional edge. Of course, this must not have any undercuts on a plastic part. And the plastic edge must not have any sharp edges. The wooden chair is similar in principle, but requires additional chair legs that have to be adapted to the freeform surface. And finally, we want to present the chair. Surfaces and surroundings play a major role here. The design should arouse desire right from the start. In the first part of the exercise, the sitting surface is defined. And with that, welcome to LearnNX and to the next video in the Freeform course.